Microsoft has just introduced the ability to remove Discover. That is this Bing chat icon that you see in the upper right that I have just hovered over, and Discover has popped out. So how do you disable this? First, I'll show you that. And then while I'm there, I'll show you the version that this was introduced in. So you go to the three dots, the ellipse, select it. You go down to settings. And then over here in settings, you go to sidebar, select that, and you'll see here under app specific settings, you have Discover. And then you have the option here, the toggle to show Discover. Now, if you'll look up here in the upper right and watch what happens when I turn it off, you'll see the Discover goes away. I'm going to turn it back on because I do like it. I just want it moved. Now, which version of Microsoft Edge must you be using? I'm going to go down here to About Microsoft Edge in the very bottom, and you will see here that it says Microsoft Edge, and it has the canary icon, and you can see the version number. And how about that? As I come here, Microsoft has a new update. Hopefully, fingers crossed, they've moved that Discover down into the sidebar. But that is how you remove the Discover if you don't want it. But I suggest you give it a try and learn to use it. It's a very good tool. Thanks for watching.